Hi, in front of me is SOYES S10 and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibrations on this device. Firstly, open Settings and scroll down. Now click on Sound and Notification and tap on the gear icon next to General. Scroll down and tap on the switcher next to Vibrate to enable or disable vibrations for incoming calls. You can also click on the switcher next to Vibrate on Touch to enable or disable touch vibrations. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!